Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon, Highway 99. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me, I'm the van guy. I got more vans today for you. 2021 Roadtrek Zion SRT. Starting in the back of this Roadtrek Zion SRT, that stands for a short unit. This is actually under 20 feet. You've got an electric couch in the rear with nice leather trim. Push the button and down the double bed comes, and you fill in the little centerpiece if you're going to have two sleeping back here. Moving up the passenger side from the rear cargo doors with the great screen in the back, you've got shoulder restraints on both sides. Not all vans have shoulder restraints in them. Just depends on what the chassis people do to install them for the converter. You've got a nice sliding window, a screen, and privacy that slide across. You have your entertainment center with your flat screen TV. Directly above that, you've got your plug-in for your outlet, 110 and 12 volts, and also your antenna. Moving forward, we've got a nice little shirt closet for storage. And next, we're going to slide up forward into the kitchen. Up above is your little microwave, and you've got a nice LED light just below that. All stainless steel surrounds. 2-burner cooktop, sink, which is recessed. And then you've got your two doors, and one drawer in the kitchen. And now we're going to move forward to the end of the countertop where it's got a nice swing up extension. And on the sliding door, you've got nice privacy screens. You've got another side screen so you can have your door open and not get all the bugs in. Up above, you've got your 400 lithium setup, which is standard through most Roadtrek lines. The monitor panel is next, headed forward with your awning controls, your tank capacities, your battery disconnect switch, to turn your inverter on and off, water pump, and you can turn your power steps so it doesn't go back and forth when you're in the campground. Moving into the cab area, you've got two nice seats that both spin around and face the rear. Leather, they do recline. There is some adjustment for height. You've got power mirrors, top and bottom, as well as a button to fold the mirrors in. This is a front-wheel drive Dodge Pro-Ram chassis, 6-cylinder, automatic transmission, or it has a manual mode as well. In the cockpit up above, there is just above the rear view mirror, it does have a nice storage area as well as inside the living space of the RV. Hey, thanks for spending a few minutes. We had a great time doing the video. I hope you had a good time watching it. Sure, you got any questions, who are you going to call? Call the van guy. 541-554-9581. Check me out on Facebook, The Van Guy. Thanks.